Primos is a really nice school. You can be yourself.
When I came here, everybody was like kind to me. Nobody didn't judge you.
There's just a lot of different people here, and like that's good because we get to meet new people.
Everybody is from different countries around the world.
What people may not know is how diverse our building is here.
Everybody just is themselves.
To be able to come into your school and feel welcomed
And like just feeling normal around each other and just not judging each other
is crucial to student success. So you do what you have to do to make sure that it's done. And so we've been really focusing on making sure that our students feel seen and welcome in the building. So being able to see themselves represented throughout the hallways of this building because there's so much diversity here.
When it was December, we did this project in ELA to pick a country and talk about a holiday.
You'll notice the pennants that are up. The kids were able to design like family banners.
They tell people about what people celebrate, like special holidays they do in their culture.
I picked a country that I'm mixed with, is Belize.
Mine was me being Christian and my family really celebrating Christmas.
In my country, they have Father's Day, they have Mother's Day, and they have Children's Day too, and it's September 10th, and like they have big parties, there's no school, and it's really fun.
We've also did the I Have a Dream wall, and students were able to write what their dreams are for the futures. Their families were able to write what their dreams for their child is for the futures.
We do Black History Month, and we do research on other people that are like different from us.
In our classroom, we did Louis Armstrong and Maya Angelou.
I like Maya Angelou a lot.
She expressed herself by spreading her word while she makes her quotes.
My favorite quote was, "Being successful is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it."
Those are like the things that you'll see more visibly, but even in the classroom, our teachers have created libraries in their classroom that show way more diversity with gender and religion and different cultures and things just in their classroom library so that their students feel more welcomed as well. We're taking an active step at Primos to make sure that our kids feel represented and that their differences come together. That's why the I Have a Dream looks like a quilt. That's why the pennants are hung up all together. There are differences, but we're all together in this, right?
You don't have to judge people because you're different, and you get to express yourself by what your culture is.
I'm Spanish, and people don't say anything about it to me. Like, they think it's cool because I know another language, and like that's really nice.
It's very important that they feel good and that they feel safe and that they feel seen in their environment. It's important.
It makes me feel like wonderful because nobody's gonna judge me just the way I am.
I can just be me without anybody judging me or like telling me to be another person that I'm not.
I hope that they continue to feel that, and I am excited to see the things that we're doing to create unity throughout the district. We've come a long way. You know, we have other things that we're planning on doing to continue to allow the students and their families to feel represented in our building because it's their building too.